Did the market's unexpected rally catch you by surprise? This week was indeed a roller coaster, with the stock market defying earlier predictions and trending upwards for 7 consecutive trading sessions. This positive trend sparked by the U.S. initial jobless claims report, which hinted at a cooling labor market and possibly less aggressive future interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, brought a wave of optimism, especially in growth sectors like technology. Digging further into the performance of different sectors, real estate investment trusts like Equity Residential and American Tower Corporation, which recently expanded its global footprint, made their mark, using their reputation as safe harbors during economic instability. Utility companies, notably NextEra Energy, with its recent approval for solar projects, and Duke Energy, having launched a new energy-saving initiative, also showcased strong performance throughout the week. On the other hand, tech titans such as Apple, fresh off their latest product launch, and Microsoft with its recent acquisition news, along with communication service behemoths like AT&T after announcing its new 5G initiative, and Verizon, gaining attention for its customer service improvements, maintained a neutral stance, suggesting that the surge wasn't solely driven by these sectors. Despite trailing a bit, technology and communication services, due to noteworthy events, still managed to snatch a few gains. Turning our gaze towards the gold market, we witnessed a seesaw. Gold prices dipped initially in the week as the US dollar strengthened. However, the positive jobs report caused a retreat in the dollar, allowing gold prices to rebound, reinforcing its role as a hedge against inflation and market volatility. As we march into the week ahead, economic data releases, particularly inflation numbers, are set to take center stage. These reports hold the power to sway investor sentiment and market direction. Key events to keep an eye on include the release of the Consumer Price Index and retail sales figures. Remember, this is merely a snapshot of the week's market trends. Always make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. And there we have it, a quick tour of this week's market movements. If you found this video insightful, do like and subscribe for more market recaps and investment insights. We're eager to hear your thoughts on the market's recent performance. So, don't shy away from sharing your views in the comments below.